All right, we're doing an 06 Cadillac. Ooh, that's not the right one. Uh-oh. Is it the b111? Oh, shit. Gotta love this tool. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, we got 3 to 10. Hope I didn't overpick those. Seven's good. Okay, now that seven's good. That number 8 is either a number 1 pick or it's overpicked. Can't really tell, but I think it's overpicked. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna lose everything. Oh, we didn't. Let's see. I'm gonna leave that number 8 alone. Okay, 6 is gonna be like a number 1 for sure. Cool. I had to back up on that pressure to get that number 7 to pick. All right, let's try to read this. It's a Cadillac DTS 2006. There we go. We want Cadillac. See, there should be. Is there a DTS? There is no special DTS, but there's a DeVille. I'm gonna go to that one. That's not it. It's going to be B106. We're gonna do 2 question marks. We got a 5. Looks like a 4. 2. 2. 5, 4, 2, 2. I thought that was going to be a 1. All right, 5, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4. What do you guys think? 1, 4? It's not usually how it works. One, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. Doesn't really make sense, guys. No match found. So we're going to make sure we're in all the way. We are in all the way. And what we're going to do is we're going to check 2 at a time. So we're going to go to 9 and 10. And it looks like we got 2, 3. And then we're gonna do we had 7 and 8. So same thing, that's the trick. Looks like 2, 3 also. So 1, 3, what was it? I put a question marks for those, but let's do all of them 2 at a time, just to see what we got. Don't want to lose that. So we're gonna go these 2, 5, 4. The next 2 looks like 3, 1. I knew that was a 1. 5, 4, 3, 1. And then we'll just do 2 question marks. Make chart. Three, 3 or 3, 1. So let's check it again. 7 and 8. Seven and 8 is probably 3, 1. We'll try it. 3, 1. Let's try that and see what we got. Oh. Got a testy for sure. We'll do Cadillac. DTS 06. So there is a different, the code series is different. 0 to it is different. Well, we're gonna try the G and see what we got. G0947. Codes G0947. This might actually not be correct. We'll see. It might be the H one. If it is, it's that CTS. Let's see. Let's see what we're holding. No turning. This is gonna be a hard one. All right, I gotta figure out the pretty close. The car battery. Say it again. Not stop. Okay, I ended up picking the lock one more time to the to the lock position, and I got a very slightly different option. I cut it worked good, and then it also works on the ignition. So let me show you guys if you want to see. It is, that's the difference. I don't know if you remember what it was. Where's the other key? I don't know what I did with it. Oop, I already lost it. But yeah, those are the cuts. Those are the correct cuts right there. Oh, here it is. So these are the first one that did not work. Kind of that 3 and the 1 were swapped around, and then it was 2-2 instead of 3-1. So this is the one that works. Yeah, what's up? All right, let's put the. It's gonna. The alarm's gonna go crazy on here. It doesn't even. I don't know. It doesn't stop, but once we program the key, it should shut it off. Oop. There we go. Oh, now it stops. Now it wants to stop. Okay, we're gonna do key program. Cadillac. By vehicle DTS 06. Key system, turn ignition on. Okay. And now we wait. Alright, looks like it's done. Security light. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. There we go. It's all done. Well, key's done. I don't know what they have going on. Might not be enough power. That's the car I did? That's the car I did for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, cool, cool. All right, his is done, but the car doesn't start, but I don't know.
Right.
Yeah.
It's
been like that?
Since he even lost the keys because...
Thanks for the referral. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course.